to Italy. Buon Natale in the beautiful country. Christmas in Italy is an intimate celebration filled with food, loved ones, and simplicity. And did I mention food? And then food again. The Christmas season in Italy starts on December 8th. From this day on, you're allowed to set up decorations and to say Buon Natale, which means Merry Christmas. On the same day, families get very serious about setting up their nativity scene. The nativity scene originated in Italy, and for Italians, nativity is a very serious business. It may contain multi-level villages and entire towns with complex backdrops. It's as though everyone becomes the structural engineer of their very own little village. All this hard work ends with a slice of panettone, the typical Italian Christmas sweetbread. On December 24th, the official Christmas starts. Families gather together to cook delicious fresh fish and have a large feast until 11 p.m., the time when they walk to the local church for the midnight mass. After a service, all churches offer a slice of panettone and multiple glasses of vin rouge, a typical Italian mulled wine. Then December 26th is celebrated by going to the restaurant for lunch with the family, where you will talk about what to eat at your New Year's Eve dinner. January 6th is the last official Christmas Italian holiday and the last day of big meals with the family. The next day, all Italians go on a diet until Easter. Instructor Maria Grosso will lead the children of Ciao Hickory Italian School in the performance of Nina Nana a Gesù, written by her father, Alessandro Grosso. Followed by Charlie Moses and Sophia Leichert and TJ Deal as our drummer boy.